When you look at disadvantages, they're really hard to find. Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I've been asked to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of LED. LED came upon the industry about 10 years ago. Initially the CRI was low, similar to fluorescent metal halides. The cost was really high. The light output, was very low from a lumen per watt standpoint, and there weren't a lot of advantages. But over the years, many advantages have been recognized. The biggest of them all is return on investment. You can definitely save 50 to 70% of your energy costs by going to LED today because of the light output. Today, you can replace a 400 watt metal halide with anything from a 100 watt to 200 watt LED fixture. Again, over 50% energy savings. Also, lifetime of a LED fixture is much greater than it is of a metal halide or fluorescent. In many cases, 2 to 4 times as long. So your maintenance costs greatly go down. The other advantages are just quality of light. The CRI is up 80, 90 in some cases. Those older fixtures aren't. So it really makes reading clearer. Also, because there's more light, you also create much safer environments for people. When you look at disadvantages, they're really hard to find. I guess the real disadvantage is if you're a HID or a fluorescent supplier of fixtures, because, people aren't buying them any longer. But LEDs are very reliable, and there's been a lot of changes in the technology over the last couple of years that are even making them more beneficial to users. Example being a wattage changing, color changing fixture, where the fixture itself can switch between wattage levels or color temperatures, which means vendors now are able to stock more. They can manufacture, then stock more inventory of a unit that may represent 12 different products. So your supplier always has product in stock. The other advantage is you install a high bay in a warehouse and your customers start saying, oh, that's too bright. Well, you can go reduce the wattage level of those fixtures. So again, a lot of flexibility LED fixtures now supply. So again, LEDs are exciting. We can help you pick the right solution for your application if you give one of our lighting specialists a call or email or come to our website, and we can help recommend the right solution that'll give you the light you want in your application and give you some flexibility and significant benefits. So have a great day and stay in the light.